Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to book flights on Hotwire. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hotwire account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Hotwire? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and keep the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type hotwire.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Hotwire. Once you get into the official website, just go through the on-screen prompt at the top right corner of your screen for you to create your account on Hotwire. After creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Hotwire. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to book flights on Hotwire. From this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen where you have the hotels, cars, flights, bundles. So go ahead and click on flight, set it to flight. So you're going to have to select if it's a round trip or a one-way trip. So let's say it's a one-way trip. So fly from, what's the origin city or airport? Let's use, can you just help my search? So I'm using that in to destination and using London. Departing 27th of April, and passengers can click on that and set it. If you're just going alone, just make it 1. If you're going to add more, just use the plus icon or use the minus icon. If you're going with children, you can use the plus or the minus icon to set the number. And once you're done, click done and select find a flight. Please correct the following. Okay. So let's see all cities. And that's fine. I'm changing the cities. Okay. Okay. We're gonna have to fix this error. So here we are on this page, which is going to after that has been rectified. How did I rectify that? I had to head over to the home page to change my location. So it means you really have to set your location to where Hotwire, performs or functions in. So I used it medicine and London. So here you have recommended the pattern flights. So I'm just going to select any of these. Economy class flex. I'm going to select the economy class flex. And it takes me to this next window. So I have to choose returning flights. Let's say I use this. I just choose that. Select. No thanks. So this page includes my flight details. It's loading up. So it has loaded completely. All right, so medicine to London, show details, your fare, and London to medicine, show details, my fare. So you can go ahead and click on seats to choose your seats, and then bags, carry-on bag included, first check bag included. Additional bags for this flight must be purchased through the airline after booking. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on this checkout. It's the total amount that you're going to spend for this particular flight. Now click on checkout, and once you click on checkout, it's a checkout without choosing seats. So sorry, you have to choose seats. Okay, that's fine. They're having trouble. But if you don't have any trouble, then save and close. If you don't have any trouble, just go ahead and ensure that you have chosen your seat and click on checkout. And it's going to get to the next window where you're going to have to enter your payment details and just check out from there. So that's pretty much how you can book flights on Hotwire. I can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.